For those of you out there who are aware with what's been going on our planet today for the last several months, millions and millions of people across the world are reporting strange things happening around them. Reports of huge seismic activity happening all across the globe. Strange objects being seen by millions of people across the world, including nations and countries and states like Florida, Peru, China, Russia, England, Switzerland. Millions of animals just suddenly dropping dead. Sleeping volcanoes now erupting. How many times in the past year have we heard or seen a volcano just in some part of the world just erupting? Even supervolcanoes, Yellowstone in particular, with reports of huge seismic activity happening within the magma chamber below. Not only that, but the ground itself has risen by 2 feet. It might not seem like much, but that is a huge scale to be tipping. Vast rivers and lakes suddenly turning into blood. But yet so many of you still want proof. So many of you still want proof when you're presented with reports and documentation and experts coming up and saying, wow, this is really unusual. You're quick to label it as normal. What in God's name is possibly normal with millions of animals just suddenly dropping dead? Millions of birds falling out the sky, whales being washed up on shore, dolphins just disappearing. About millions and millions of people reporting and documenting seeing strange objects and strange things in the sky. But yet you want to label that as normal. You know, a lot of you people are quick to dismiss this. You know, you ought to say, well, it's happened before and our planet is changing. Well, no duh, our planet is changing, but the things that are happening within it are very unusual. You have NASA, for the love of God, NASA, who has reported seeing these strange objects circling and hovering around our sun. How do you explain that? How do you categorize that as normal? You have world-renowned scientists coming up saying all of these sinkholes that are suddenly appearing on the planet, that is not supposed to happen. That is quite unusual, and they cannot actually pinpoint or find out why this is happening. But yet some of you out there want to label that as being normal. I'm a Christian. I believe in God. I believe in Jesus Christ. But you know what? That's okay too, because a lot of you out there want to bash me for that. Oh, God doesn't exist, blah, blah, blah. You know what? If I'm wrong on my views and you're right about there not being a God, you know what? Kudos to you, because you don't gain anything, but I don't lose anything either. But I know for a fact that when I'm right and you're wrong, I lose nothing. But yet you lose absolutely everything. A lot of you guys rather choose to believe in somebody like Aleister Crowley than just at least have some faith in yourself and have some faith that, wow, you know, some of these things that are happening could relate. It could relate. But yet a lot of you guys go out there and you're saying, well, the Bible was written by a man, not God. Well, no duh. When you write a letter, who's writing the letter? You are the pen. Obviously you are. You are just using the pen as an instrument for you to deliver your message. God used man as an instrument to deliver his message. But you know what? You know what? You can believe whatever you want to believe. The fact that these things are occurring on our planet today, it needs to be addressed, and you people ought to find out what's going on, because a lot of you are quick to dismiss this, go off, go get drunk, go get high, and just completely forget about the fact that one day, if something does happen, you're going to be quick to go, wow, I didn't know about this, holy crap. Everything is controlled and carefully monitored by a small group of very powerful people. Very powerful. More powerful than you can ever imagine. These are people who make the money, who print the money. Do you really think, do you honestly think that they really care about you? Or me, or your friends, your family, your daughter, your cat, your dog? They don't care about anything except for themselves. Now, I want you guys to do me a quick favor. Since a lot of you guys are quick to label things crazy and conspiracy, I want you to do your own research. Research HAARP, research Project Bluebeam, research the Council of Foreign Relations. Now what you're about to see is very chilling. I'm just here to help show you what is going on our planet today. May God have mercy on humanity.